students. Now we are discussing some problems on HCF and LCM. Some word problems. We face a number of situations in which we make use of the concept of HCF and LCM. Let us explain some situation. Question number 1. Two tankers contain 850 liters and 680 liters of kerosene oil respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the kerosene oil of both the tankers when used an exact number of times. In this question, read the question 2 or 3 times thoroughly. Then, what are the things given? What do we find out? In this question, the required container has to measure both the tankers in a way that the count is an exact number of times. Thus, the maximum capacity of such a container will be the HCF of 850 and 680. Okay, we can do by factorization method. 850 and 680. Find HCF of 850 and 680. See here, 850 and 680. Do prime factorization. Okay, we know this is an even number. So, 425. Then this is an odd number. So, check by 3. Okay, what is? We cannot do because the last digit is 5. So, we cannot do by 3. Okay, we can do by 5. 8 5s are 14. Then 5 5s are 25. 85. Again by 5. Then 155. Then 35 in 7. 7 5s are 35. So 17. 17 is a prime number. So 1. In 680, this is an even number. This is an even number. Take 2. So 340. Here 2. Then here comes 170. Again 2. Then 8 2s are 16. Then 5. Then check by 3. Okay. We cannot do by 3. So take 5. 155. Then 7 5s are 35. 17 is a prime number. To find HCF, what we do? 850 equals 680 equals, right? 850 equals how many 2s? 1, 2 and 2 5s. Then 117. In 680, 1, 2, 3. 3 2s. 1 5 and 117. This is the prime factorization. To get HCF, we know common factor. See, the common factors 2, then no, okay, only 1 2 common, then 1 5, then 1 17. Okay, so HCF equals 2 into 5 into 17. 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 17, 170. So, HCF of 850 and 680 is 170. So, the maximum capacity of the container, that is 170 liter. Question number 2. In a morning walk, 3 persons step off together. Their steps measure 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter and 90 centimeter respectively. What is minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? Here to find minimum distance. The required minimum distance each should walk would be the LCM of the measures of their steps. That is LCM of 80, 85 and 90. Here 80, 85 and 90. Right? Together like this. To find LCM, we know this. See, 80, 90 are even numbers. 85 is odd number. So, take first prime number 2. 40, 85, 45. Here, one even number, that is 40. The two are odd numbers. So, take 2. Here, 20, 85, 45. Listen carefully how we are doing the LCM, finding LCM. Okay. Again 2. 10, 85, 45. Again 2, 5, 85 and 45. These three numbers are odd numbers. These three numbers are odd numbers. Okay. Then check by 3. That means the three numbers 5, 85, 45 can divide by 3 or not. 5 cannot divide, then 85 can't divide, then 45 can divide. Okay, so take 3. Here 5 right like this, 85 also like this, then in 45. How many 3's? 1, 3, 3, then 5 3's are 15. So 15. Then also 5, 85, 15. We can divide by 3. So, right, 5 like this, 85 like this, 15, 5 3's are 15. Okay. Then, we can't divide the 3 numbers. So, take 5 then. So, here 1, here is 1, 5, 5, 17. Okay, 7, 3, 5's are 35, then 1. Here, 1, 17, 1. Here 17 is a prime number. So, we can write here 17, then 17 here, 1, 1. See the steps. 2, 2, 2, 2. How many times 2? 4 times 2, 2 times 3 and 1, 5, 1, 17. See here what we did first. To find LCM. To find LCM, take the first or smallest prime number, that is 2. Then here the 1, 2, 3, 4 steps we did by 2. Next 3, 2 steps did by 3. Next 5, next 17. Check it carefully. Okay. So LCM equals, write the product of factors. 2 into, how many times 2? 4 times 2 into 2 times 3, 1, 5 and 1, 17. These are the product. Then find the product. See here, 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 into 3, 48, 48 into 2, 144, 144 into 5, that is 720, 720 into 17, 720 into 17, 700, 2, 7, 14, 1, then 49 plus 150, 0, 2, 7. So 4, 2, 12. That is 12240. 12,240. This is the LCM. 12,240. So, LCM of the three numbers 80, 85, 90 is 12,240. So, here the required minimum distance is 12,240 centimeters. The next question. Find the least number which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. We need to find the LCM of these four numbers. 12, 16, 24 and 36. So, take these numbers, four numbers together. These four numbers are even numbers. So, divide by 2. 6, 8, 12, 18. Okay. Here also, even numbers we got. So, by 2, 3, 4, 6 and 9. Again, 4 and 6 are even numbers. So, by 2. 3 write like this. 4 came 2, 6, 3, 9, 9. Okay, then only even number is 2. Which is the even number? 2 here. So, 2. Then 3, 1, 3, 9. In this, no even numbers. All numbers are odd. So, take next prime number 3. So, 1, 1. Here also 1. Here 3. Again, only one number, that is 3. So, we can do 3. Okay, this is over. So, then find the LCM. This is the prime factorization of 4 numbers. Then LCM of these 4 numbers equals. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2's are here. 2, 2. How many 3's? 1, 2 3's. 3 into 3. Okay. Then multiply it. 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16. 16 into 3, 48. 48 into 3, 144. So, 144 is the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36. 144 is the least number which when divided by the even numbers will leave remainder 0 in each case. We need the least number that leaves remainder 7 in each case. Therefore, the required number is 7 more than 144. The required least number equals 144 plus 7 equals 151. So, here we got the least number is 151. When we divide 151 by 12, 16, 24 and 36, leave the remainder 7.